Lexie Dormitorio, one of our awardees in the Women in Sports Awards Flight. Ada si Tin na makatanggap ka ng award from the Women in Sports Awards night.
I feel very honored to receive one of the awards and I'm really happy to be here.
Okay, Lexie, what's the latest for you from your end? Meron kayong mga sinalihan competitions during the early part of the year?
Yes, this January 15, I joined the race in Thailand. It was the Thailand Mountain Bike Cup, which I won first place in the junior women category.
And of course, what's the next for you? What's next for you?
Next is probably the one in Iloilo. It's the Asia MTB Series race. It's going to be held in Pasig City, Iloilo.
And what's the definition of being a sportswoman? Anong definition, kahulugan nito?
It's confidence and bravery to be able to, perform well, to train every day, knowing that I'm a woman. But on a male-dominated sport, I know that I can do.
Magpasalamat ka na po.
Thank you so much po.
Yung mga sponsors and of course yung mga kasalamat.
Oh, thank you to my sponsors, especially for my dad. Thank you for my dad and my family, my friends for always supporting me.
Thank you so much, Lexie. God bless.